Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face some of the most thrilling rides on the planet? Then come with us and face your thrills! Today we'll feature thrills we're at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. And in this video, we're going to ride Kumba. Kumba is a steel coaster carrying riders to 140 feet. With 7 versions, this ride's pretty wild. At 60 miles an hour. Riders who are 54 inches or higher can experience this thrill ride! And before hopping on this cool ride, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this. Here we go! I'll tell you people, this is a really bumpy ride. We're not even going down yet. Was awesome. My favorite part was the hill, and when you go down, that was awesome. 97 Miracle 28, face your thrills. That was amazing. When you go up there, it's like rough, but it's an awesome ride. Those loops are amazing. And a 12-year-old can totally handle it. Face your thrills. I loved Kumba. Kumba is a rough ride. I kept my hands up for the whole time, and I kept hitting my head. Any 7-year-old could totally handle it. Face your thrills. Kumba was a shattering ride. Every time I go up, I'd be like, oh, oh, oh. It's still a great ride, though. I mean, it's fun. I think when you loop, it's just like, it's like you're going in a corkscrew, but upside down. I think any 12-year-old could totally handle it. Face your thrills. Video, Tampa.